So often when you want to test your PartyKit server, you're going to need to write some sort of client code, but there actually is another easy way to do it, and it's basically by installing a CLI called wscat. So the way you do that is you install in development mode here wscat, WebSocket cat. And once that's installed, if I run my dev server here, this is just a PartyKit like standard project. So it's running here on this IP and port number. I'll copy that. If I flip over to another tab here, we can run wscat, and we'll say that we want to connect, and we want to connect to WS, so not HTTP, WebSocket, right? Paste in that IP port, and then you need to use the path. The path is always, this is just a convention for PartyKit. It's the party name, which by default party, and the room, main. And so if we hit that now, we see hello from server, and that's because that's the code that comes with the default template for PartyKit. If we open a couple of these, so let me make a split down here, let's say, and we'll copy this. And so now if I type in here, it should show up in the other window. There you go, and you see that this is the ID. Like if I were to, let me open another tab here. If I was to go into the source code for the server, what the server does now is when it receives a message, it sends back this. It sends back this sender ID. So you see the sender ID here is an auto-generated one. If I want to actually pass in a custom one, what I could do is here I'll recall this command, and I'll just pass in here at the end _PK and the ID. So let's say Josh. And so now if I type something in here, you see that it's using that as the ID of the connection. So I feel like this is a very useful tool if you want to just quickly test some stuff on your machine without having to write any code. All right, see you in the next one.